Good morning, TLC. Good morning, Facebook. What did we do this morning? We got up early on a Saturday morning and we went out and we took care of this restaurant's tiling grout in their showroom and in their bathrooms and the front waiting area, just to make sure it looks clean. And we'll show you a couple little clips of us cleaning it up. We're going to be hopefully trying to work on doing this on a more consistent basis so that the people here can just maintenance in between, make sure they keep it mopped well, and then we come in and deep clean it, you know, a little bit more often. But today that we took care of it, we got up here today on a Saturday because that's when they have their truck. So they're here early. We're able to get done right before they open, and we're out. I've got the fan going, and as soon as this dries, we're out of the way and they open up for business. And Saturday they should be pretty busy. But anyway, hope y'all have a good day. That's what we did today. Tim Moore, TLC Floorcare.